As a media and technology expert, I see the incredible potential of drones every day. From revolutionizing and transforming our agriculture to capturing our nation's beauty, drones are the future. Now here is the problem. Right now, that future is grounded. To fly a drone legally in Zambia, you are required to pay about 6,000 kwacha for a medical checkup at Zambia Flying Doctors, plus many other costs attached to getting this license. Now, this is the same medical required for pilots physically sitting in a cockpit. But as remote pilots, we are never in the air. We are on the ground when we are flying. So combined with mandatory expensive training and a centralized licensing system that forces everyone to travel to Lusaka, the cost of being legal is simply too high for the average Zambian entrepreneur. This is why I am launching this petition to the Zambia Civil Aviation Authority and the Ministry of Transport and Logistics. We are proposing 3 common sense reforms. Number 1, replace the expensive Class 2 medical with a standard fitness to operate certificate from any reputable clinic. Number 2, introduce a fair fee structure, like 1,000 kwacha for the exam and 1,850 kwacha for the licenses. That would be manageable for every Zambian entrepreneur looking to venture into the drone space. Number 3, decentralize the registration to all official airports and categorize the drones by their weight and risk level, like we have for driving licenses. There is category A, B, C, C1, C2, and the like. By making it affordable to be a legal drone operator in Zambia, we make our skies safer and our economy stronger. I am asking you to sign this petition on change.org. Let's show the authorities that Zambia is ready to lead the region in drone innovation. Sign the petition, share this video, let's fly together. My name is Sikazwe. Thank you very much for your support.